We only need oil, 1 egg and milk powder. Make a dough of these. Like this. Now you can make any shape of it, as you like. I am making round shapes. You can also add any food color in it, if you like. Add milk and sugar according to your taste. When the milk starts boiling, then add the balls in it. As you can see, it's completely cooked. Enjoy it. If you like the recipe, then don't forget to subscribe my channel, leave comment below, and share it with your friends and family. See you with next recipe. Allah Hafiz.